Do any of your guys' wife trust you to get groceries? Tori was super nervous about us going out and getting these groceries, so hopefully we got everything. It's kind of hard. We go up and down the aisles a million times, checking our list, really trying to make her impressed. Hit the subscribe button, smash that like button each video, dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time, but just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. Oh yeah, welcome back guys, or to the channel if it's your first time here. Thanks so much again for joining us. A couple housekeeping items here before we get into today's video. Number one, Tori is recovering from a neck injury. If you guys tuned into her channel, we put a little teaser on there of her going into the ER. She's doing fine, recovering well, but we've been busy working with her, getting her back up to 100% speed here. Number two, we are getting down to the last like 3 or 4 months probably of needing to pay off the old Duramax here. Look at that beauty. Almost paid off guys, so stay tuned to the channel because we are gonna get a new car like I've been promising next spring, so bear with me as we get through these videos. Just trying to keep you guys up to speed here and entertained in the meantime. Thank you so much again for your patience. For those of you that do not know, we used to have an 09 red C6. It was like reddish maroon. If you guys tuned into Tori's channel, so you know the deal with that car. We kind of got screwed over by either the bank or the state, not really sure. Big licensing issue, not a money issue, but we have been saving money so that way we can get something new here in the spring. And number three, we do have some new influencer items on the storefront. If you do want to check that out, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much again. But let's get into today's video, droning. I'm ready to get fact checked by all the droners out there, but it's sick. Here we go. All right, guys, so here we are back at Lowe's. Got Asherman with us. New coat, new sucker, Carhartt hat, looking great as always. Just copped this new sled and new shovel. He had to have one just like that, a blue one. So he's showing you all his things. And Diesel got a bone too. Diesel, come on up, buddy. Diesel's is our Australian Shepherd dog. But anyways, guys, like I said, we're here to talk about the drone today. And I wanted to maybe talk about this drone specifically, but then I got on the DJI website and realized they don't even make this Mini anymore. They upgraded it now. I think there's a Mini 2, if I remember right. So it doesn't really make sense to review this, get you guys all pumped up to go get one and then not be able to get one. I won't try to explain any of the technical details on that because I am not super technical. I just know that drones are super cool. They make your videos look absolutely professional and epic and just capture the moment in such a unique way that just no other camera can do. But guys, what I wanted to do in this video was take a lot of that drone footage that we've previously filmed and show you guys exactly what drones can do for you and what you can expect to see if you were to get one to make videos of your own. Now, the reason we like the Mini so much is because it folds up into like a handheld size and it's super easy to carry everywhere you go. Even on the airplane, they let you have them. So it's great for traveling with, very lightweight, compact. You just plug in your phone and it makes it super easy to do. But the downside of this too is that I get a lot of wind warnings, especially when we're on the beach. It makes it very hard to fly because once you get up so high, it loses its calibration, it loses GPS. I've actually crashed this thing twice, but you know, it's been fine. Like, you just put a new blade on. If blade does snap, they make the parts really easily replaceable. So I do believe in DJI as a brand, so definitely check them out. But yeah, we crashed this thing a couple times, put a new blade on, send it back up in the air, it goes again just fine. So super durable, super lightweight, great picture quality. Like I said, just those dang wind warnings, I mean, that's the point. You want to have it on the beach. So I don't know if because it's a smaller compact version of a drone, maybe the bigger ones will do better in the higher wind situations, but it is kind of frustrating because obviously you're going up high, so it's gonna have a lot of wind. The higher up you go, the more wind you encounter, right? So yeah, just definitely kind of confused on that. But anyways, guys, let's roll some of that drone footage and I'll catch you guys here at the end. Enjoy the footage, guys.
Push it up like before, but I was the fool. Went down with a sinking. Down with a sinking.
What do you call the drone? The helicopter? You like flying daddy's helicopter up? He calls it the helicopter, guys. Diesel couldn't care less. It just scares him. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed those shots. It definitely gets you psyched up to fly the drone again. Take it with you. Take it when you travel. Capture the moment in such a unique way that most people will never see. You know, take your family videos to the next level. Or if you want to use it for commercials, for projects, for whatever. I mean, get a drone. They're absolutely epic, super cool. If you guys have one, which one do you have and why do you like it or why don't you like it? What are the pros and cons, and what's the next best drone coming out? Once this one retires, we'll probably get another one, but for now it works. Like I said, I'm not super technical. I just want something to fly up, take a nice quality image. We only use it for like 20 or 30 seconds in a video anyway. It's not like we're making these prolonged drone footages. It's just a couple clips here and there. Get you guys in the moment, and yeah, back to the video. But anyways, guys, thanks again for tuning into the channel. Hope you're having fun with us. Hit the subscribe button if you're really into it. Tell all your friends. If we get enough subscribers, we'll be getting some really cool things in the future. So thank you guys again. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.